Come and tell me, Sean O'Farrell, tell me why you hurry so. Hush, you walk'll hush and listen, and his face was all aglow. I bear orders from the captain, get you ready quick and soon, with the pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. At the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, with the pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. Come and tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where that meeting place must be. By the old pot on the river, quite well known to you and me. One more word for signal token, whistle out a marching tune, for the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. At the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, for the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. Out of every mud wall cabin, eyes are shining through the night. Many manly hearts is beating for the blessed morning light. Rollers ran across the valley to the Banshee's lonely. With me whack, fall the diddly idle day. As I went out from Galway town for secret recreation, on the 17th of August we mind being elevated. Multitudes assembled for their tickets at the station. Me mind began to dazzle and we're going to see the races. With me whack, all the diddly idle day. There were passengers from Nina and passengers from Limerick, passengers from Kerry and from Sporting Tipperary, passengers from Dublin and the quarters of the nation. And I remember Mr. Hardy to see the Galway races for the nap, fall the diddly idle day. There were multitudes from Ireland and members from New Quayshore, the boys from Connemara and the Clare and Mardy maidens, people from Cork City who were loyal, true and faithful. They brought home the sea.
Dargle says you're one to my one, sure I hadn't got a farthing. I went down to Clontarf town to see him come back hard on, but he wouldn't give me a couple of hours for the gold of what these Dargle. What will you have? Will you have a point? Sure, have a point with you, sir. But if one of you just nor see way through out of the boozer. Says you're a one to my one, will you come to the Galway races? Says you're a one to my one, for the price of the old man's braces. I went down to Nate, straight to the Jew-man money lender, but he wouldn't give me a couple of bob for a gold of what the vendor. What will you have? Will you have a pint? Sure, I'll have a pint with you, sir. But if one of you does not see, we threw out all the booze. Says you're a one to my one, sure we have no beef for mutton, but if we get down to Monty Town, sure we might get a ring for nothing. I went to the dice of for smelly old fishmonger. When the food is scarce and you see the herds, you know you die in a hunger. What will you have? Will you have a pint? Sure, I'll have a pint with you, sir. But if one of you does not see, we threw out on the boozer. Says you're a one to my one. Will you come to the Waxies there, girl? Says my one to you're a one. Sure, I haven't got a farthing. I went down to Cape on straight to the Seaman money lender, but he wouldn't give me a couple of bob for a go to the Waxies there, girl. What will you have? Will you have a pint? Sure, I'll have a pint with you, sir. But if one of you doesn't order, see, we threw out all the boozer. And if one of you doesn't order,